Summer is here, and today I will show you how you can completely transform your bedroom on a budget and fill it with relaxing summer vibes with just a single visit to IKEA. All the featured items are pretty affordable. And of course, you don't have to buy all of them. This video is meant to spark your creativity and inspire your own decorating ideas. However, if you do decide to purchase all of these items, I guarantee they match perfectly and will turn your room into a summer oasis. Let's start with a statement piece of the room, the bed. For a fresh summer look, I paired the SLÅNHÖSTMAL blue and white striped duvet cover and pillowcases with a pop of yellow from the NATTJASMIN pillowcases and fitted sheets. The combination is stunning. I didn't see this pairing in the IKEA store or on their website, but I got inspired during my visit to the IKEA store, and when I paired them, they were a great fit. As a final touch on the bed, for daytime decoration, I added the UGGLEFLY small yellow throw blanket. It's also perfect for those slightly chilly late evenings. Next, for the nightstands, I chose two glosswork blue lamps. They match the blue striped sheets perfectly, have a sleek design, and are very affordable. The lamp shades are muted, so the light bulb doesn't hit your eye directly, providing a cozy atmosphere in the evening with their dimmed light, which helps the eye prepare for sleep. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. To add a pop of color to the rest of the room, I bought the Björk bright yellow vase and decorated it with blue and yellow flowers, matching the overall color scheme. This vase, together with the yellow pillowcases, brings sunshine to my bedroom. I'm sorry if I mispronounce some names. To complete the summer vibe, I added two build faded surf set pictures. This very affordable set of 4 has a lovely tropical design, and I paired them with simple sleek Fiskbo white frames. To give you a completely honest experience, I want to add this note. After washing the blue and white striped sheets, the linen released some color, tinting the white parts a very light blue. Not to worry, everything still matches, but I wanted you to have the whole picture. I didn't use a color catcher, so maybe that wouldn't have happened with it. The sheets are mostly made from cotton, and despite the hot temperatures, they felt light and cozy, even with daytime temperatures reaching 36 to 39 degrees Celsius. That's about 97 to 102 degrees Fahrenheit. During these high temperatures, I didn't use a quilt in the duvet cover, just the cover itself, which was perfect for these warm nights. The yellow pillowcases are incredibly soft, with a silky touch, making the entire bed linen set a great choice for hot summer days. All the furniture in the room, including the bed, nightstands, closet, and shelving unit, is from IKEA. I have a separate video detailing some of these pieces, which I will link in the description below. I think you would really enjoy this video next, so why not give it a try? I hope you find it interesting. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!